Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm diving into why the Arlo Pro 4 is the best security camera for your home. Whether you're looking to upgrade your current setup or investing in a security system for the first time, this one's a game changer. Let's get into it. First off, the video quality. The Arlo Pro 4 boasts a stunning 2K HDR video with a 160-degree field of view. That means crystal clear images and wide coverage of your property. No more grainy footage or blind spots. You see everything in high definition. One of the standout features is its color night vision. Unlike other cameras that give you black and white images in the dark, the Arlo Pro 4 provides full color pictures even at night. This is crucial for identifying details like the color of a car or clothing. Now let's talk about its wireless capabilities. The Arlo Pro 4 is completely wire-free thanks to its rechargeable battery. You can place it anywhere around your home without worrying about power outlets or messy cables. Plus, setting it up is a breeze with the Arlo app, guiding you through each step. Security is more than just cameras, it's about smart features too. The Arlo Pro 4 comes with advanced AI detection. It can differentiate between people, animals, vehicles and packages. You'll receive real-time notifications on your phone so you know exactly what's happening outside your home. For those who are privacy conscious, the Arlo Pro 4 offers a built-in siren and two-way audio. You can warn intruders or speak to visitors directly from your phone. And with its integrated spotlight, you can illuminate the area, deterring potential threats. What's more, the Arlo Pro 4 works seamlessly with smart home systems. It's compatible with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit, giving you the flexibility to control your security camera with just your voice. Now, I know you're wondering about storage. The Arlo Pro 4 gives you multiple options. You can store video locally with an Arlo Smart Hub or remotely with Arlo Secure Cloud Storage. This means you can access your footage anytime, anywhere. In conclusion, the Arlo Pro 4 is a powerhouse of a security camera. From its high-quality video and color night vision to its smart features and easy installation, it's designed to keep your home safe and secure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And if you're ready to enhance your home security, check out the link in the description to get your Arlo Pro 4 today. Thanks for watching and stay safe.